We just get. I could go. I could probably go to something on
Is there a test pattern?
the internet. Yeah, we could probably find out.
Green screen or blank?
I would say the few weeks leading up to shooting were definitely the toughest. Negotiating rates for locations and stuff like that, but still not finding like something that like looked what we needed it to look like was definitely challenging. Ultimately, while we improvised on the location, it's amazing what was pulled off.
Like I usually work as like a production designer, set decorator. So to walk into that and be like, all right, this is for real. We doing this. This is amazing. I love this set. That was great work.
I think this location was itself very challenging, just to kind of film within the tight space, but then continuity was really challenging.
But we're gonna get all the coverage by the window for that first act, just so with the rain and everything coming, we can get that, and then we'll come back.
The pre-production phase is always the most important because the more you're able to think about the story and what you need, so when you're on set, you've thought about all these possibilities, you know, you're gonna be, I think, better off.
Oh, these two are different. This one's different.
Take a swig.
Oh,
And squat.
I got a flash. I got a
So
flash.
we got one group's doing flash, and then this one is here. Camera speeds.
Speed 14. Scene 2B, take 3. Now you're there. Beginning on the silence.
Schedules were definitely tough because our schedule changed a little bit, and due to that, people's availability changed too. While we didn't have everybody that we wanted at every single time of every single day, the people we did have on set were great and amazing and professional.
Okay, you've got to leave. Okay, do you remember how to get to Michael's boat?
With Cody behind the camera, there are many times where everything was kind of resting on his shoulders. He was very patient, and I, thank him for that. Thank you, Cody. I know that the footage that we have and the coverage that we have, we're still going to be able to tell a great story, and that's because of Cody.
Excellent job. Good work to everyone. Hopefully tomorrow we come in and continue to do the same thing and don't have as many technical difficulties, so knock on wood. But excellent job. Thank you guys. Good work.